Establishing a proper feeding routine for your dog goes beyond simply choosing a good food. It's about understanding your pet's unique needs, which are influenced by their age, breed, activity level, and overall health. Let's take a closer look at how to design the best feeding schedule for your companion. From lively puppies through to thoughtful seniors, and from tiny toy breeds to energetic giants. During the first year of life, puppies experience rapid growth and development. Because their stomachs are small, but their energy requirements are high, puppies need to be fed more frequently than adult dogs. For most breeds, a routine of 3 to 4 meals per day is ideal until they are about 4 months old. By 6 months, you can gradually shift to 2 to 3 meals per day. Always select a high-quality puppy food that's specially formulated to meet their nutritional needs, paying close attention to the suggested portion sizes on the packaging and adjusting based on your puppy's weight, body condition, and energy level. Some breeds, such as large and giant breeds, require special considerations during puppyhood. Rapid growth can put strain on developing bones and joints. For breeds like German Shepherds, Labradors, or Great Danes, look for puppy foods designed for large breeds, which contain controlled levels of calcium and phosphorus to support steady, healthy growth. Feeding guidelines should be followed strictly. Overfeeding can increase the risk of joint problems later in life. Toy breeds, such as Chihuahuas or Yorkshire Terriers, may be at risk of hypoglycemia if they go too long between meals. For these tiny puppies, frequent meals, up to 4 times daily, are essential, especially in the early months. Choose a kibble with smaller pieces to make eating easier. As your dog transitions into adulthood, which typically happens around 12 months for most breeds, you can move to an adult dog food and settle into a steadier feeding schedule, usually 2 meals a day, morning and evening. Adult dogs benefit from routine. Feeding them at the same times every day helps regulate digestion and can prevent problems like begging or anxiety related to food. Breed size continues to influence adult feeding schedules and portion sizes. Small breeds have higher metabolisms and may benefit from slightly more frequent, but smaller meals to sustain their energy. On the other hand, medium and large breeds generally do well with 2 meals daily, with serving sizes adjusted for their weight and activity level. Working or highly active breeds, such as Border Collies or Huskies, may need a calorie boost to fuel their busy days. When it comes to senior dogs, usually considered to be 7 years or older for most breeds, it's important to reassess both the type of food and routine. Seniors may be less active and have slower metabolisms, increasing the risk of weight gain. Choose foods formulated for seniors, which are often lower in calories and richer in joint-supporting nutrients like glucosamine. Maintain meal routines but reduce portion sizes if needed, and keep a watchful eye for changes in appetite or behavior, signaling a need for a veterinary checkup. Regardless of your dog's age or breed, there are best practices that everyone should follow. Always provide plenty of fresh water. Avoid feeding table scraps, which can disrupt a balanced diet and lead to unhealthy habits. Develop a habit of monitoring your dog's body condition and adjusting food intake as needed. Creating a tailored feeding routine shows your understanding and love for your pet, supporting them from bouncy puppy days through the golden years. With age-appropriate food, breed-specific adjustments, and mealtime consistency, you'll give your dog the greatest gift of all, a foundation for a happy, healthy life.